Hi class, today we are going to learn a very important topic, that is find out PV ratio, break even point, sales required to earn a profit of rupees 70,000. That means if we want to get 70,000 profit, how much goods we have to sold? This is the question. Okay, net profit from the sales of rupees 3 lakhs. Net profit from the sales of rupees 3 lakhs. Okay, how much net profit we will get if the sales is rupees 3 lakhs? These two questions are different. First question is asking sales required. We need to find out the sales to get the profit of rupees 70,000. In this question, we have to find out the profit if the sales is 3 lakhs from the following information. The information is given like this: sales 2 lakhs, variable cost 1,50,000 and fixed cost is 15,000. So, okay, problem is given like this. We have to find out first PV ratio. The first we have to find out PV ratio, that is profit volume ratio. Formula is contribution by sales into 100. Contribution by sales into 100. So contribution is not given in the problem, so we have to find out contribution first. So make it contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost. Sales is given in the problem, that is 2 lakhs. Variable cost is also given, that is 1,50,000. So contribution is 50,000 rupees. So contribution is 50,000 rupees. Now we have to post in a formula. Contribution is 50,000 rupees is contribution is 50,000. Sales is given in the problem 2 lakhs. Sales is given in the problem 2 lakhs into 100. So we will get 25%, or we can write 0.25. Okay, so what is the formula of PV ratio? PV ratio formula is contribution by sales into 100. Contribution means sales minus variable cost. Sales minus variable cost is contribution. So sales minus variable cost, sales is given in the problem 2 lakhs minus 1,50,000. So contribution is 50,000. So contribution by sales into 100. So we'll get 25%, or we can write 0.25. So this is how to calculate PV ratio. Next we have to find out break even point. Next we have to find out the second one is break even point. BEP. Break even point is equal to, formula we have to write first fixed cost by PV ratio. Fixed cost is already given in the problem, that is 15,000. So we have to write 15,000 by PV ratio. PV ratio, already we find PV ratio, that is 25% or 0.25. We can write here 0.25. So we will get 60,000 rupees. So we will get 60,000 rupees, that is break even point. Break even point is 60,000 rupees. Okay guys, next come to the next topic, that is what we have to find out sales required to earn a profit of rupees 70,000. Sales required to earn a profit of rupees 70,000. So let's find out sales required to earn a profit of rupees 40,000. First formula, sales is equal to fixed cost. These all are based on complete formula. Fixed cost plus how much profit we need, desired profit. You have to write desired profit. Fixed cost by desired profit by PV ratio. So fixed cost is already given in the problem, that is 15,000. Desired profit, how much profit we need? We required a profit of rupees 70,000. So we have to write 70,000. So what is the PV ratio is already we find PV ratio, that is 0.25. So 85,000 divided by 0.25, calculate it once, calculate it. 85,000 divided by 0.25, that is we will get 3,40,000 rupees. How much we will get? 3,40,000 rupees. That means if we want to get a profit of 70,000, how much sales we required? Question is given, how much sales we required to earn a profit of 70,000. To earn a profit of 70,000, we need a sales of rupees 3,40,000. This is a simple solution, is completely based on formulas. Next question is, find the net profit from the sales of rupees 3 lakhs. If our sales is 3 lakhs, how much profit we will get? So net profit formula is equal to, how much sales is given in the problem? Sales is given 3 lakhs. So sales into PV ratio, sales into PV ratio minus fixed, sales into PV ratio minus fixed cost. How much sales is given in the problem? That is 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs into 25% minus fixed cost is 15,000. 3 lakh into 25%, how much we will get? 3 lakh into 25% means, that is we will get 75,000 minus 15,000. So 75,000 minus 15,000, 60,000 rupees. So if we sold the goods of rupees 3 lakhs, we will get a profit of rupees 60,000. So this is the simple funda of the problem. Okay, so again we will repeat once. So we have to find out PV ratio. PV ratio is formula contribution by sales into 100. Contribution means sales minus variable cost. Sales minus variable cost. So we have sales minus variable cost. We find 50,000 rupees is contribution. So contribution is 50,000. Sales is 2 lakhs into 100. We will get 25%. Next we have to find out break even point. Break even point formula, fixed cost by PV ratio. Fixed cost is given in the problem, that is 15,000 rupees. PV ratio is 0.25. We will get 60,000 rupees. Next question is, how much sales we need to get a profit of rupees 70,000. So formula is fixed cost by desired profit by PV ratio. Fixed cost is given in the problem. Desired profit is 70,000 is also given in the problem, and we have to divide it by PV ratio. So 3,40,000. If we sold goods for rupees 3,40,000, we will get a profit of 70,000. Next question, how much profit we will get if sales is 3 lakhs? If sales is 3 lakhs, how much profit we will get? Formula is sales into PV ratio minus fixed cost. Sales 3 lakhs into 25%. 3 lakh into 25%, we will get 75,000 minus 15,000, that is we will get 60,000. To get a profit of rupees, if we sold the goods of rupees 3 lakhs, we will get a profit of rupees 60,000. This is the simple funda. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much.